Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I am sending you so much love and light for everybody coming through with the support with this Advent Calendar series. It just means the absolute world. A video day keeps the doctor away, right? We are already at day 15. We are more than halfway through. I can't even believe we can even say that. And I really wanted to slow down now because I'm so nervous. It's going to be Christmas already. We're like 2 weeks away from Christmas. How is that possible? That is insane. So without further ado, let's see what goodies are in day 15. I have been in love with all of the mystical names. Oh, my days. Well, they continued that with obsidian. Y'all, my heart, I thought this was going to be purple because of the label. You hooked a blue charm sister up. Oh, my days. Okay, so now I'm literally doing a happy dance and thinking this has to go on my phalanges. If you guys haven't noticed, my canvases are ready for the new holiday update. So I cannot wait to do that. There is going to be amazing videos coming very soon for my holiday mani, but I cannot get over as I'm swatching this. The coverage is so delicious, and this is like a midnight blue. If this was not obsidian, I would have named this Polar Express. For those of you that are unaware, obsidian is a naturally occurring volcanic glass, formed when lava extruded from a volcano cools rapidly with minimal crystal growth. It is an igneous rock. So I am losing it over the name, over this stunning blue. I can't. This is giving me all of the Christmas vibes, and I need to put that top coat that we got in day 13, the Arctic Blast. I need to see those snowy pieces and the hollow flakes in the background of this gorgeous blue. Whew, I've taken the midnight train to Georgia. Oh my days, I am just losing it over this. And I need to. Like, it is like an impulse at this point. I have to see day 13 and day 15 merge. So we are going to do that magic right now because, you know, inquiring minds want to know. I've got to do this for the people. Oh, heavens. I already knew the little pieces of hollow flake would be really gorgeous with this blue, but there's something so magical about these little snowflake. It's like a little squall, or you have a snowstorm in a bottle, but it's not one of those bad snowstorms. It's one of those snowstorms that means you do not have to go to school or work for the day, and you can just make snowmen and have a kiss under the mistletoe with some hot cocoa. Like, this is a whole vibe. This just transports you. And I am so madly in love with these two. I definitely want to mat it and then do a whole winter scene, like with trees, silhouettes of trees, and the moon, maybe even Santa's sleigh. Like, this is just giving. Whew. Madam Glam has went all out. Like, every year, I think the calendar has been better than the next, but by far, I hope that you all were able to run out and get this. And by the by, it is still on sale for a huge slash down $99. So if it's in your heart and you just want to be a part of this Advent magic with these limited edition baddies, you need to run on over and grab yourself the hottest nail Advent calendar. Well, I'm done. I just fell in love. These words, it's literally a match made in heaven. I cannot get over how beautiful, and instantly that Arctic Blast delivers just that. It literally looks like this huge snow, I want to call it a storm, but people there's negative connotations with storms, but it really does look like a beautiful snowstorm has rolled in, and now we are just having the hot cocoa in the cabin, and everything's okay because we went grocery shopping and we don't have to go back out. You see, in my story, we've already gotten all of the errands done, so it's not like we're trapped. This is like a fun kind of situation. Oh God, I'm so Canadian. I'm just like, yeah, let's get trapped in snow. Like that doesn't sound like a good thing. But with this Arctic blast, it's definitely a fun thing. Thank you so very much for coming into today's video. I really hope you fell in love with day 15 with me and found a new use for lucky number 13's Arctic blast, because together it was a match made in heaven. I definitely had to bust out my red iguana finger so you could see this stunning blue on different skin tones, but not just that, so I could showcase the beautiful, beautiful Arctic blast with the background of obsidian. Thank you again for coming into today's video. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Yo, I put my detective glasses on and it's a tool. So I'd love to hear in the comments what tool you think tomorrow is going to be for day 16. But make sure you've got those bells on so you don't miss any of this amazing Advent series or the sets that I'm going to create with all of the magic. I am sending you so much love and light, and no matter where in the world this video found you, I pray it found you so well. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. See you in the next one.